Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Rohan. He didn't have much, just a small hut, an old school bag, and a head full of dreams. But those dreams were tiny, simple, and pure. Every morning, Rohan would wake up before sunrise and water the single plant he had in front of his hut. It was not a big tree, not even a flower plant, just a tiny green shoot. Yet, Rohan believed it was special. One day, you will grow tall and give shade to many, he whispered to it. On his way to school, Rohan often picked up small things others ignored. A shiny stone, a feather fallen from a crow, or a coin lost in the dust. To him, every small thing carried a story. Tiny things make big worlds, he would say. One day, it rained heavily. The streets were flooded, and most children stayed inside. But Rohan ran outside, laughing, letting raindrops soak him. He folded paper boats from his old notebooks and floated them in the water. As he watched them sail away, he imagined they were carrying his little wishes, one for a new pencil, one for his mother's smile, one for the tiny plant outside his hut. At school, Rohan never had the newest books or sharp pencils. But he had curiosity. When the teacher spoke, his eyes shone. Once, the teacher asked, "What is success?" Others gave big answers, money, fame, big houses. But Rohan quietly said, "Success is when my tiny plant grows into a tree and children play under it." The whole class laughed, but the teacher smiled. Years passed, and Rohan kept watering that small plant. It grew slowly, often eaten by goats or dried in the summer sun. Many times, he felt like giving up. But each time, he remembered, tiny things make big worlds. So he tried again, protected it with stones, and gave it water drop by drop. One day, while walking home, Rohan found a little puppy shivering in the rain. He picked it up, carried it home, and fed it scraps of food. The puppy wagged its tail, and from that day, it followed him everywhere. Just like his plant, Rohan took care of it patiently. By the time Rohan grew older, the plant had turned into a strong young tree. It wasn't huge yet, but it gave shade enough for two people to sit under. Villagers often stopped to rest there. Children tied swings to its branches. Birds built nests. Rohan would sit under it with his puppy, now grown into a dog, and smile. He realized something: dreams don't need to be big. They just need care, love, and patience. Tiny drops of water had grown a tree. Tiny acts of kindness had given him a loyal friend. Tiny steps of learning had made him wiser. And so, Rohan's tiny dreams became his biggest treasure.